This is how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to MetaMask. In this video, I consider using different networks to transfer Ethereum from Binance to my MetaMask wallet. As soon as you launch your Binance app, you get to home. You can see my current balance. To know the asset you have, you click asset. The only asset I currently have is Ethereum, and this is the value. And for me to transfer this Ethereum to MetaMask, you tap send. You see select withdrawal method. We are not sending to Binance user. We are using on-chain withdraw. So we are going to tap on-chain withdraw. Suppose you can't see your Ethereum here, you just use this place to search. But it's here. All you just need is to pick the Ethereum. That is the coin that we are going to transfer to MetaMask wallet. The most important thing you need to do when you want to transfer your Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet is to check out the network options that you have and to see how you can reduce your gas fee, but you can reduce this cost if you choose correct and appropriate network. The first thing you need to do is to tap this network. You click network. We have so many network options. These are the network listed on Binance as at the time of this video that you can use to transfer Ethereum from Binance to any exchange or any external wallet of your choice. To know the cheapest one that will cost us less, and that will dictate the Ethereum wallet address that we're going to use on MetaMask. If you look at BNB Smart Chain Network, that is BEP20, is very cheap. Look at the amount, 0.00037. You can send almost any amount. If you look at Ethereum network itself, the fee is low and the minimum you can send is low. But the problem you are going to find is if you want to now use Ethereum and send it out of MetaMask, it will be very costly. Let me show you something on MetaMask. This is my MetaMask. This is where you change the network on MetaMask. You can see, you click here, you have different options. For instance, if you want to use Ethereum network, you choose Ethereum. If you decide to send this money to Ethereum network, by the time you are sending the money out, it will be very costly on MetaMask. So these are different networks you can use. You can use Manta network, you can use Optimism, you can use Base, you can use Arbitrum One. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be using Binance Smart Chain Network. I will click Binance Smart Chain Network. So this Binance Smart Chain Network, all these cryptos, they share the same address. For me to send Ethereum to this place, I will copy this address and take this address to Binance. This is my Binance app. Look at it. I'm sending Ethereum. I will paste the wallet here. Paste the wallet. You can see the wallet is pasted here. Then I will select the network. The network I'm going for is Binance Smart Chain Network. That is BEP20. The pricing is okay. You can as well use any network as I explained. So I will select BNB Smart Chain. I will select the amount. For the purpose of this video, I will click maximum. If your wallet address is correct, you've chosen BNB Smart Chain and the amount you want to send is okay, all you just need to do is to tap withdraw. You tap withdraw. You look at it again. If everything is okay, you tap confirm. Don't forget we are sending to your MetaMask wallet. It's going already. It's asking me to use my authentication. I've used my authentication. You can see withdrawal processing. All I need to do is to go to my MetaMask wallet. You can refresh it. You can see Ethereum token and my balance has increased. You can now move and transfer your Ethereum from your Binance exchange account to any decentralized wallet of your choice. You need to watch the next video. This is all about 11 apps where you can claim sign-up bonuses that are worth over $277. Another thing that is free is this. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Don't forget, drop your comments. I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.